Let me demonstrate how to send a crypto gift in Portkey. Open Portkey and click the red gift icon on the home screen. Then tap Send Crypto Gift. Choose between a fixed amount and a random amount gift. If it's a fixed amount gift, all claimers will receive an equal amount. If it's a random amount gift, one person might get $100 while another gets $3. I'll select the random amount here because it's more fun. Enter the quantity and total amount of crypto to be sent. I choose ELF token. Other specified assets include USDT and SGR. Only sending these three assets qualify for rewards. Remember to enable new users only, as it's part of the reward rules. Click Send Crypto Gift and then approve the transaction. Once the gift is packaged, you can copy and share its link with friends or across social media. The more users who claim your gift, the higher your chances of winning rewards. The top 10 users whose gifts are claimed by the most users will share $200.